Welcome to DIY for Homeowners by Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And we have a quick little story for you. So back in October, my dog Mac was having some teeth removed, and we decided we wanted to keep ourselves busy, so we decided to pressure wash my driveway.
Well, I started by first putting on a pre-conditioner, sprayed that on, and then I started pressure washing. And then we get a phone call from the vet saying that Mac is ready. So, you know, we're only about halfway through. So Steph started taking over.
And so I just started to really try to clean as quick as I can, but it took a while to pressure wash. So ultimately the bottom section, I just decided to spray with Wet and Forget because you just spray it on and it cleans over time. And without realizing it, we were doing a test between pressure washing and Wet and Forget. And as you can see here, 6 months later, the driveway looks almost indistinguishable between the sections that were pressure washed and those that were used with Wet and Forget. The pressure wash section took us over an hour to do. The bottom section took us minutes, and it looks great. So I would say, what would you say, Mom?
I'd say, boy, it's a lot less work to use Wet and Forget than pressure washing.
Yes, so I will say in the future, we're gonna be cleaning this driveway with Wet and Forget. It's a great product.
Before we wrap up this project, we are going to spray another round of Wet and Forget over the whole driveway. Here you can see I'm using our Milwaukee tank sprayer to do the job. It works really well. It took us about maybe half an hour to do this whole driveway. When spraying with Wet and Forget, if you get it on your grass, it can cause temporary browning, so you want to clean your grass before and after with just clear water, and it will keep your grass looking nice and fresh.
Well, thanks for joining us, and if you want to continue to support Mother-Daughter Projects, please hit that subscribe button and share this video or any video that you'd like.
And if you're wondering why we're in the car, it's because there was too many people outside, and it was loud, and we were embarrassed to film in front of other people.
I mean, like everyone in the neighborhood is out, so,
you know.
so we'll try something new.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.